Yan. Dito po tayo ngayon sa opisina. At ito pa ang aking workplace. Nakita niyo pa ang aking computer. Si Spider-Man there. Of course. Speaker. Keyboard. At aking mga things to do. Mga dadaling ko pa uwi. Pagsalubong. Naka-ready na. Ang aking... Ito po si Tupil. Tupil, say hi. This is an Indian guy from Kerala. From Kerala, no? You are from Kerala?
UP.
Ah, UP Diliman. Ah, taga-UP ka pala, ah. Oh, okay. He's sending film right now. Yan. Say hi. And introduce yourself. Medyo mahihain. Ito naman po. Uy, wala ko ba't na? Ito naman po si Abu Bakar. Abu Bakar, say hi. You're too busy. This is Abu Bakar from Sri Lanka. This is his workplace. Also, he's working in computer department. Ito ang aming lugar. Ito yung mga makina. Yan. Ito yung mga tao. Fernando. Oh, say hi. This is Resmi from Sri Lanka. Resmi, say hi.
Hi.
This is what's his name? Abdal from Mongolia. No, Nepal. Nepali. This is a Nepali guy.
Nepali also.
Yeah. This is a Nepali guy.
Very intelligent guy.
Yeah. This is
Abdul Wahab.
Abdul Wahab, they call. This is a very good guy. Hey man, can you look in the camera, man? Just for a minute and say hi. See?
This is
See the beard? This is Sudani.
Ada Sunani.
Who? This is Arapat. This is my friend also. Arapat, say hi.
Hi.
I will show this to Philippines so they will know. This is also from Sri Lanka. Fernando from Indonesia.
Hong Kong.
Oh.
Hong Kong.
Oh, how? How naman po si Oliver from China.